AI is transforming everything in 2025, from how we work to how we create. But if you're new to this, don't worry. I'll show you step by step how to use powerful AI tools, all for free. This guide is for you. From writing content to designing graphics, AI now helps millions of people work smarter, not harder. And you can start using it today. No tech skills needed. AI is not the future, it's the present. Start with ChatGPT or Google Gemini. Ask it to write a blog post, YouTube script, or even a product description. Just type a clear prompt and let the AI do the work. Write blogs, scripts, and captions with just one prompt. Want a logo or thumbnail? Use Canva's Magic Design or Leonardo AI. Type what you need, and the AI creates it. No Photoshop skills required. Design stunning graphics in seconds. Paste your script into Pictory, choose a theme, and AI will generate video scenes with stock footage, music, and even captions, all in minutes. Title: turn text into video, instantly. On-screen text: title of the video. Use ElevenLabs to turn your text into human-like voiceovers. Choose a voice, tone, and just paste your text. Title: no mic? No problem. On-screen text: title of the video. Let Notion AI organize your work, take notes, and summarize tasks. Automate emails or posts with Zapier. It's like having an AI assistant. Title: save time with smart automations. On-screen text: title of the video. These tools are free, powerful, and ready to use. Don't wait. Start exploring AI today and see what you can create. And if you want more tutorials like this, subscribe to CBTV. Title: start your AI journey today. On-screen text: title of the video.